अल्लाह तो रहमानो या रहीम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, ब्लड ऑलवेज फ्लोज फ्रॉम हायर टोटल फ्लूइड एनर्जी टू लोअर टोटल फ्लूइड एनर्जी, लोअर टोटल फ्लूइड एनर्जी टू हायर फ्लूइड एनर्जी, बोथ आर करेक्ट। ब्लड ऑलवेज फ्लोज फ्रॉम हायर टोटल फ्लूइड एनर्जी टू लोअर टोटल फ्लूइड एनर्जी, ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, rate of blood flow depends on differences in arteries and veins, blood pressure and vascular resistance. Both are none. Blood flows in arteries depend upon blood pressure and vascular resistance. So option B is correct. Question number 3. Length of the tube traveled per unit of time is called viscosity, flow, linear velocity, none. Length of the tube traveled per unit of time is known as linear velocity. Option C is correct. Question number 4. Quantity of blood flowing from the veins into outer each minute by the heart is blood pressure, veins pressure, cardiac pressure, cardiac output. The quantity of the blood flowing from the veins into aorta each minute by the heart is known as cardiac output. So option D is correct. Question number 5. Quantity of blood flowing from the veins into the right atrium each minute is called venous return, cardiac return, both, none. Quantity of blood that flow from veins into right atrium each minute is known as venous return. So option A is correct. Question number 6. Factors that affect cardiac output are person's age, size of the body metabolism. All factors that affect cardiac output are all including person's age, size of the body metabolism, and so option D is correct. Question number 7. For a young healthy man, cardiac output is about 4.6 liter per minute, 3.6 liter per minute, 5.6 liter per minute, none. For a young healthy man, cardiac output is about 5.6 liters per minute. So option C is correct. Question number 8. For women, cardiac output is 4.3 liter per minute, 5.3 liter per minute, 5.6 liter per minute, 4.9 liter per minute. For women, cardiac output is 4.9 liter per minute. So option D is correct. Question number 9. Average cardiac output is in adult is 5 liter, 6 liter, 4 liter, none. Average cardiac output in adult is 5 liters. Option A is correct. Question number 10. Cardiac output per square meter of the body surface area is known as cardiac velocity, cardiac index, cardiac speed, none. Cardiac index is the cardiac output per square meter of the body surface area. So option B is. Question number 11. Cardiac output raises 4 liter per minute per meter square at the age of 10 years. Cardiac index declines to at 80 years. It is not a condition only. It is just a MCQ that containing two statements, 4 liter, 5 liter, 2.4 liter per meter square, none. Cardiac index declines to at 80 years is 2.4 liter per minute per meter square. Question number 12. Cardiac output is controlled by veins. Cardiac output, cardiac return, venous return. Cardiac output is controlled by venous return, so option D is correct. Question number 13. The stretched right atrium initiates a nervous reflex. It is called brain bridge reflex, cardiac reflex, both, none. The stretched right atrium initiates a nervous reflex that is known as brain bridge reflex. So option A is करेक्ट. दूसरे लफ्ज़ों में हम ब्रेन ब्रिज को एक अचानक रिफ्लेक्स आर्क भी कह सकते हैं, यानी कि सडनली ब्रेन ब्रिज, सडनली रिफ्लेक्स का पैदा होना ब्रेन ब्रिज रिफ्लेक्स कहलाता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. व्हेन टोटल पेरिफेरल रेजिस्टेंस इज नॉर्मल, कार्डियक आउटपुट इज एबनॉर्मल, नॉर्मल, बोथ आर नन. व्हेन टोटल पेरिफेरल रेजिस्टेंस इज नॉर्मल, cardiac output is also normal, so option B is correct. Question number 15. Factors that causing hyper effective heart are nervous stimulation, hypertrophy of heart, muscle, both or none. हाइपर इफेक्टिव हार्ट ऐसा हार्ट होता है जो नॉर्मल और अच्छे तरीके से काम कर रहा होता है. तो ऐसे कौन से फैक्टर हैं जो इसको अच्छा या नॉर्मल काम करने पर मजबूर करते हैं या वजह बनते हैं? तो ऑप्शन ए है नर्वस स्टिमुलेशन, हाइपरट्रॉफी ऑफ द हार्ट मसल. तो दो ही फैक्टर हैं, एक नर्वस स्टिमुलेशन है और दूसरा हाइपरट्रॉफी ऑफ द हार्ट मसल्स है, यानी कि हार्ट मसल्स का वेल डेवलप होना, उनका नॉर्मल होना, ठीक है, उनका साइज़ में भी नॉर्मल होना. तो ये हाइपरट्रोफी ऑफ द हार्ट मसल्स कहलाएगा. और नर्वस स्टिमुलेशन वो होगा कि न्यूरॉन्स वगैरह के ज़रिए हार्ट की जो स्टिमुलेशन वगैरह है वो इनिशिएट होंगी. तो सो ऑप्शन सी बोथ इज़ अ राइट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. हैवी एक्सरसाइजेज causes skeletal muscles to hypertrophy, eutrophy, both or hypertrophy. Heavy exercise causes heart muscles to hypertrophy, so option D is correct. Question number 17. Factor causing hypoeffective heart or hypoeffective heart वो होगा जो हार्ट नॉर्मल तरीके से काम नहीं कर रहा होगा, यानी कि डिजीज़ वाला हार्ट होगा या इलनेस वाला हार्ट होगा. तो वो कौन से फैक्टर हैं जो हाइपो इफेक्टिव का काज बनते हैं? ऑप्शन ए है कोरोनरी आर्टरी ब्लॉकेज, वल्वुलर हार्ट डिजीजेज, कंजेनिटल डिजीजेज, all of the above. All of the above are the factors that cause hypoeffective heart, so option D is correct. ये कोरोनरी आर्टरी ब्लॉकेज जो है ये हार्ट अटैक का सबब बनता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. कोरोनरी आर्टरी ब्लॉकेजेस causes heart diseases, heart attack, both or none. Coronary artery blockage causes heart attack, so option B is correct. Question number 19. Drug like dinitrophenol increases cardiac index, velocity, cardiac output, none. Drug like dinitrophenol increases cardiac output. An experiment was performed at a dog. His cardiac output was increased, so option C is correct. Question number 20. During exercises there is intense increase in pressure, blood flow, both. During exercise there is a intense increase in metabolism in active skeletal muscle, so option D is correct. Question number 21. In mammalian heart, blood is pumped from left ventricle, right ventricle, both or none. In mammalian heart, blood is pumped from left ventricle, so option A is correct. Question number 22. Walls of the larger blood vessels contain a layer that is known as tunica adventitia, outer coat, tunica media, that is a middle coat or middle layer, tunica intima, that is a inner layer. Wall are all of the above. Walls of the larger blood vessels contain all of the above layers, so option D is correct. Question number 23. Which statement is correct about vessel's layer? Tunica adventitia is a fibrous outer coat. Tunica media contain circular and longitudinal muscles. Tunica intima is closest to lumen. All are correct about muscles layer, so option D is correct. Question number 24. Series of branching vessels, thick-walled, elastic and muscular well shape is ventral system, venous system, both arterial system. Arterial system is a system that has branching vessels, thick-walled, elastic and muscular well shape, so option D is correct. Question number 25. Function of arteries are as a pressure reservoir for forcing blood into the small diameter of arterioles, control distribution of blood to different capillary network, increase oscillation in pressure and flow. Functions of arteries are all of the above, so option D is correct.